with 1 million subscribers here. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a giant favorites of 2017, like my favorite of the faves. Oh my god, I have a straight hair. Where'd he go? Let's just wrap it. 2017 is over! I'm happy that I didn't die in 2017, you know? Like, I lived, girl, I lived. 2018 might take me, but you can suck it, 2017. Just kidding. 2017 was actually a really good year for me. I loved my life in 2017. I really did. Like, all jokes aside, I thought 2017 was a year that I grew. I hit 1 million subscribers! Things. There's lots of things. So if you guys want to know what my favorites of the faves were of 2017 so that we can say goodbye to 2017 and hello girl to 2018. I actually really need some lotion. Look at my hands. Girl, we have like warnings for cold right now that I'm not kidding you. It said colder than Mars. Mars. Colder than Mars, okay? So my hand's like, I'm not an alien, so you need to moisturize me. Hashtag lotion for Mars. Okay, let me just go in like no particular order. This I loved so much. I hate how it feels because it's like velvety, but the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette was the palette I used the most. Like, I hit pan on quite a few of them, which is quite amazing because I'll say like I love a palette and I do love it, but really I strongly like it. This one I love. Every color, all the shimmers, all the sparkles. I just can't stand how it's like, it honestly makes me shiver how it feels. Like, velvet is disgusting, and that one is like strong velvet. Strong dislike. You can create so many different looks with it. Anastasia to me is a really good brand. The colors are very buildable, blendable, shimmery, and they don't crease on me. They don't lose color. You can create like a daytime look, a natural look, a smoky, dramatic look. There's so many different ones, so I really liked that palette. The other like eyeshadowy palette is, I keep saying this one throughout 2017, and that's why we're doing this video, is the favorite of the faves, and this is the I Want It All. I love this packaging because it's PiinkSparkles and it has like hearts all over it. This is the Kylie birthday collection. I'm pretty sure you can still buy her birthday collection online. This one is wonderful. I particularly like these two right here. I mean, I did like the shadows and stuff. I much prefer the Modern Renaissance one, but these two, this blush and highlight, were wonderful. I would use sometimes the highlight for all over my lids, so I really like this. I just realized I didn't really blend my makeup that well. Oh well, who cares? Hi, Nicole Guerrero. Notice me. This is such a love. I would use these for eyeshadows, inner highlights. You're asking like, what? Wouldn't you say what the product is and then talk about it? No, apparently not. This is the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia again glow kit. So it's a 6 highlight kit. My favorite ones are Forever Lit, Kitty Cat, and Glow Getta. I love them all and I've used them all. I think this is a very versatile palette. Some highlights I'm like, why? Like, why do you have a green highlight? Like, I'm just not sure. These ones are super wearable. They're so nice. They're not so like crazy. I don't know. This is just the best highlight. My favorite highlight palette. I love how it looks. I like that there's not a mirror because it does have a lot of fallout, this palette, but the product performs very well, so that to me isn't an issue. Like, some people like die over a fallout. They're like, ah! The only time Fallout would get me like that is Fallout Boy, Pete Wentz. Hi! I found the cure to growing older, and you're the only place that feels like home. Fallout Boy will never fade for me. Fallout Boy is my forever. That and Panic at the Disco, forever. If you love something and you've always loved it, and somebody says the words, forever isn't real, nothing lasts forever. Where were we? Okay, so my lip products, I love lip products so much. You guys know that. I love, love, love lips. And usually they're all like the same-ish color. They're like all the same. But I have 2 liquid lipsticks, 1 gloss, and 1 liner. So they're kind of separate. This one doesn't have a lid, so don't come for me. MAC lip pencil in Rosy Rim. I love this so much. This is my second one, and it's wonderful. It's like a perfect pink color. What I do with this is I just line my lips and then fill it in, and then I'm good to go. Sometimes I'll just put like a little gloss over top or a little bit of a shimmer, sometimes a lipstick over top, but honestly this is good on its own. It's beautiful and wearable and I love. The gloss, that's my favorite. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee, my favorite dessert. We're gonna put Creme Brulee the dessert also as a favorite. Actually, I had like Creme Brulee twice. twice. That's disgusting. Only to have it twice, something you love? Because not a lot of places have it in my city. I need to go to France. Do they have France? They probably have it, right? Is it a French dessert? It's a gorgeous like pinky nude color, like the same color as I wear for all my lips and love, just because I love this color. And then the two liquid lipsticks are both by Kylie. I love Kylie's liquid lips. The one I'm wearing right now and the one that I like talked about so much is the KKW. So Kylie and Kim's collab before Kim launched her KKW on herself. I don't talk well, I'm sorry. And this one is in Kiki. Beautiful, and I love when I have a spray tan, it just gets like all, when I don't have a spray tan, AKA now, it's darker. Well, okay, no, the color stays the same. I change colors. I'm a chameleon. Too much. I'm too much. This one is apricot. This one is the one I wore that was my peachy moment, like all over. That and Dirty Peach by Kylie, but I felt like I leaned more towards apricot. So this one is like your typical peachy, and I love it so much. It's a great, great shade. These Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. These are wonderful. I have raved about these, and I found these on Amreezy's Snapchat when I first saw them because I've tried a lot of glitters, glitter shadows, liquid glitter this, and you have to build them up so much. It takes a lot of product. When I do my eyeshadow, like I have my eyeshadow now, and if I were to put those over top, my eyeshadow would like take away because it's like water, and I don't even know. So when I first saw Amreezy use these, I'm like, and they performed so perfectly on her lid, and she used the Gold Goddess, and I that day went out and grabbed them. That's how much I ride or die for Amreezy. I love her. Nobody asked you. If I could just like take one selfie with Amreezy. So I bought 3 of them, and I love all 3, so that's why I'm sharing them. The next one is Diamond Dust. It's a gorgeous like silvery color, and then the last one's Kitten Karma, which is, oh, it's like a pinky coppery rose gold, gorgeous color. Honestly, you can do so much with these. You could build them up to make it like super glittery. You could just put like a slight little amount. You can put them on your inner corner, under your lash line. I've done so many different looks with these. I've also just taken a little bit in the center of my eyelids, which I did a holiday tutorial on, using the Gold Goddess with a green look, and I will link that in the description box down below if you want to see. Like, I love these. They're super easy to work with. This is probably, I'm safe to say, my favorite makeup product of 2017, and that is by Kylie Cosmetics. To be honest, I feel like Kylie Cosmetics slayed, for me personally, allegedly, in 2016. I loved all, oh my god, I bought like everything and I loved everything, and then closer to the end I was like, nothing was really grabbing me. Like, I liked some things, yes, but honestly this changed the game, and this was the wet set that she released in the summer, and gorgeous. I've like literally used a little bit of these, even though it just looks like I've touched them. That's where I use the product, but this one is my heaven, and this one too. But this one right here, this says Privacy Please. This is the most gorgeous thing ever, and you literally need the tiniest amount, and it goes a long way. Like, this is gonna last me forever. They're very big also, so they feel very wet and cold. It's a very odd feeling. It's kind of like a cream, but I don't know, you would have to feel it, and they're just very like jello-y. So you can wear them on your cheekbones, but I love to do it in the inner corner and drag it down. It is beautiful. My MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in NW13 is my favorite foundation of 2017. I love this. It's what I'm wearing right now. It goes on so nice and smooth. It makes you look flawless. I love this pump also. When you do get these, they don't come with a pump, so I would recommend a pump. So the pump and the foundation is one of my faves. Okay, another one by MAC. This is the Fast Response Eye Cream. I use this a lot. You'll need a little bit. I got this done, I think it was on my birthday. I got my makeup done, and she put a little bit of this on, and my puffiness went away. Even though I don't have like dramatic eye bags or anything, I was like, whoa, what's that? And that's what it does. Like, it's just like right in the morning, if I'm really tired or if I have a hangover or something that makes me like, ugh, I'll put a little bit of this on. It just like refreshes your face. So I loved this in 2017. Also, this Becca Duo. So I loved both of them. There's Champagne Pop and Hyacinth. This is gorgeous. You need like a dot of it, and it'll do probably both your cheeks. Like, it's so super pigmented. It's almost like scary pigmented. I can just use too much of it sometimes, but I love that one. And then Champagne Pop is like one of the best queen shades ever. Okay, that was it for makeup. This Ariana Grande perfume, is that just what it's called? I don't know if she has like a specific name for it. It just smells like candy, and this is the most beautiful bottle, like this little puff. And just the color of it smells so girly, and whenever I wear this, I get compliments, like if I go out of the house. My favorite thing in 2017 is staying inside. Tatcha moisturizer. It's so expensive, but honestly worth it. Overnight Memory Serum Concentrate, and it comes with a little spoon right here, which I use for it because I do have nails, and this is what it looks like. It's jelly-like, and I use this after I take off my makeup, and I apply this like all over my face. Sleep when I wake up. My skin is so moisturized and gorgeous, so smooth. Oh, I just love this stuff so much, and I will be repurchasing it because it's wonderful. It just makes your skin very smooth, especially in the cold Mars ass weather outside. Thumbs up, 2 of them together. Now I take off my makeup. These Clean and Clear Night Relaxing All-in-One Oil-Free Makeup Remover Wipes. I love these so much. Like, these were like my holy grail makeup remover wipes. They remove everything. Heavy coverage foundation, concealer, eyebrows, brow gel, lipstick, liquid lipstick, everything. So thank you so much. Bless up to these. Walmart, drugstore, they're so cheap. To go along with it, I also like had a relationship with this year. This is the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. It wakes you up. I use it both morning and night. I have a night one as well, but I really just love this one. It's very refreshing. It smells nice and clean. There's fuzz on it. The beads in there pop, and it makes your, oh my god, I love it so much. You need to try. Carmex, I got like 2 rounds of lip injections this whole year, and I loved, look at my lips. So they get dry. So Carmex has been one of my loves. The smell of it, honestly, when I first smelled it, I was like, oh my, ugh. But I honestly grew a love to the smell of it. It's just like, oh, like it has a very unique smell, almost kind of like Vicksy in a way, like the Vapor Rub, and it moisturizes your lips and cures chapped lips. Altoids were one of my faves. I got these in the States, and I was like, I can't get them in Canada. Like, you can't get them here. You can only get them in the States because that's where I see them. And then I went into a store called Pine and Fancy, which is a candy store. I don't know if it's all over, but we have a couple in our city. And when I went in there, one of the girls recognized me and thanked me for shopping there because I always give them shout outs and stuff. And then she's like, by the way, we sell Altoids. I'm like, and it was so funny because there was somebody in the store shopping, and then when she said, by the way, we sell Altoids, like the person's look on their face was looking at me like I was just like a regular shopper, and they were like, by the way, we sell Altoids, like as in like I'm just like asking her for chocolate bars, and she's like, by the way, your breath stinks, like we have Altoids, please go get some. That person, like you should have seen the person's face, they were like, but she just knew that I loved Altoids and put them in favorites videos and was like raving and ranting about them. Like, I love them so much. So my favorite ones are the Wintergreen. Curiously strong mints. Like, they're so strong. You get like a plethora of them in there. They come with a little blanket because they're so cold. Oh, they just smell so wonderful. Okay, these little Bath and Body Works, what are they called? Scent Portable. So they're for a portable scent thing for your car. You just like flip them up and then they're so good. I used to always mess with like the little vent clips and the trees that hang, and they're just so annoying. I just love these. They smell so good. They're affordable, and you can get little cute little things for your car to put them in, like stars and rainbows and sparkles and hearts and champagne bottles, and it's just adorable. So that's why I do really like these this year. Also, my iPhone 7 Plus, I'm loving this. That actually hurt so bad. Oh, right on my clavicle. Like, cool. On 3, break someone's clavicle. 1, 2, 3, break someone's clavicle. Ow. Not my favorite anymore. I just really like this phone. It's wonderful, it's big, but I'm scared now. I'm scared of it, but my eyelash extensions are another one of my faves. I think they are beautiful. I got them later in this year, but I just love them so much. They're so low maintenance. I take good care of them. I get them filled every 3-ish weeks. I have hybrid lashes, and you know, you literally wake up in the morning and you have like gorgeous eyes already, and then you don't need to put on lashes. You don't need to mess with lash glue or cutting lashes, strip lashes, or anything. All your looks look slayed. You can still do natural looks, but they're just enhanced. I love them. They're one of my faves. Snapchat is another one of my faves. Follow me at PiinkSnap. This year I downloaded it, and it's just been something that I really like. I don't know, it's different than any other social medias in my opinion, and I love it. My hair extensions, these are the GBB brand hair, and I got these at Chatter Salon. They've held up pretty good. I should wash them and tone them, but I like them. They're clip-in, they're easy, the clips stay in your head. I have them in a ponytail right now. I can curl them, I can straighten them, I can wave them. They're wonderful. Lil Pump, Gucci Gang. Everything Lil Pump. I am Lil Pump. And last but not least, one of my all-time faves. I don't have any right now because you can literally get them at Costco only in my city. Cheese Wisps. They need to sponsor me. Like, hi. They are literally made out of one ingredient and one ingredient only, Parmesan cheese. And they're like these crunchy, delicious snacks that are amazing. They're the best things I tried in 2017, hands down. Those are all my favorites of the year. Faves of the faves, best of the best, and I don't think I missed anything. I have everything written down there and I ticked everything off. I'm gonna kick myself if I forgot anything. But thank you guys so much, not only for watching this video, for following me, for letting me and allowing me to hit 1 million subscribers, for the love, for the support. Being a support system where you can tell me if I'm wrong, you can be there for me when times are bad and times are good. I post like literally anything and I get love and support. I post my booty and I'll be like, hey girl, and I get like, oh girl, yes. Or I'll just post like no makeup, like, and I'll get support. Like it doesn't matter what I post. If I post french fries or if I post nothing, you guys are there for me. And I have never had like such a strong support system like this. So I love you guys so much. And I just want to do so much in 2018. And people are so excited that I said I was coming out with merch. So that will be in 2018 as well. Thank you guys so much for following me on PiinkSember. I posted every single day this month except one day. I had the stomach flu. So one of those days I was like, oh, like I can't, like I literally can't film. I just took the day off and rested, laid with a blanket in my cats and drank tea and ate soup. The stomach flu was no joke. So I posted 30 videos in this month and this intro is now gone. And 2017 is now gone. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and happy new year. Please be safe, make smart decisions, don't drink and drive, and let's ring in the new year with happiness, health, and positivity. I am going to take a small little break because I literally have been working so hard. I mean, maybe you don't see it, but like I literally spent hours and hours and hours editing, filming, planning, buying things for videos, and just like it's been the grind. Like I'm not complaining, I'm so happy about it. I had such a great December, but I just honestly, I just need a little bit of a break. I don't know how long, I have no idea. I still want to do a what I got myself for Christmas video, but all the things haven't arrived to me yet because of Christmas and shipping and everything. It takes a long time. So when that happens, maybe that'll be my video back. So whenever I receive them, maybe that's when I'll come back. It's not gonna be long, guys. I'm not taking like a month long or anything like that. Maybe a week. I don't know, but we'll see. I'll see you next year. Bye.